Hi everybody, Denay here. Today I'm sharing my easy Indian Pulao recipe. I absolutely love all things rice. And a few years ago, a dear friend of mine in Cary, North Carolina shared her Pulao recipe. And I hope I'm saying this right, Pulao recipe, with me. And I've modified it, and this is what I came up with. Now, you start with heating oil in a pan. I used just regular oil, vegetable oil, and butter. And I sauteed my raisins, cashews, and almonds, and then removed them. Then I added my bay leaf and my spices. The recipe is below. I added the onions to the spices and sauteed those until they were just translucent, as you can see there. And then I had a little ginger and minced garlic, and I minced both. Then I added my mixed vegetables and turmeric. It's a really fast-moving, easy recipe, super easy. And then I just sauteed that. I added my saffron milk, and in the recipe I tell you how I did that. Put a lid on it, let the flavors mellow and on a low heat, and then I added my rice. Now, just so you'll know, I used frozen vegetables, guys. No chopping up here, just a bag of frozen vegetables. And as I mentioned before, the recipe is below. Once I added the rice, I tossed everything together and added my raisins and my cashews and my almonds. And then I put the lid on it, I don't show you here, and I let it steam for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then it was ready to serve. It is delicious. Give this recipe a try. Let me know if you like it. You can play around with the spices, and don't leave out the saffron. It's a key ingredient. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.